A very refreshing morning to all. This is Bhumi Shashank Khulke studying in 8th standard from Agragami School, Pipri Meghe, Wardha. On this prestigious occasion of Science Day, I would like to talk on the topic Science Around Us, for which my subtopic is Natural Science. So in this video, I am going to give some examples of science which are natural. So our first example is day and night. Every day we sleep in night and wake up in the morning. So how does this day and night occur? Due to the rotation of earth. The earth rotates on its own axis. The earth requires 24 hours for a single rotation, for a one rotation. So the part of the earth which is facing towards the sun will experience daytime, and the part of the earth which is not facing the sun will experience nighttime. So our second example is plants and oxygen. We get oxygen from plants. But how? By the process of photosynthesis. The plants are autotrophs, means that they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. The green leaves of plants contains a pigment called chlorophyll, which reacts with water and carbon dioxide and gives glucose and releases oxygen. A third example is sky. The sky appears to be blue because the air scatters blue light we get from the sun. So we see the sky as blue colored. Our fourth example is seasons. In a year we observe mainly three seasons: summer, winter and rainy. But why? Because the earth revolves around the sun and its orbit of revolution is elliptical in shape. When the earth is closer to the sun, there is summer season, and when it is far away from the sun, there is winter season. So our fifth example is rain. The rainy season comes after summer season because in summer season the heat is more as compared to rainy and winter season. The heat in summer season evaporates the water from water bodies and the vapors goes up and condense to form clouds, and when the capacity of clouds ends, it rains. Next is a rainbow. We observe rainbow when it rains and some sunlight is also present there. We know that the light which we get from sun is white light, which is consisted of 7 colors, Vibgyor. So when the white light passes through the water droplets of rain, it splits into 7 colors and forms a rainbow. So our sixth and last example is eclipse. Eclipses are natural phenomena when the three celestial bodies, that is earth, sun and moon, comes in a straight line. Eclipses occurs. There are two types of eclipses: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. When the moon is in between, there is a solar eclipse, and when earth is in between, there is lunar eclipse.